Hello students, this is Sociology 1. It's a course introduction. Welcome to Sociology 1. This is your sociology professor. Thank you for being part of this online experience. Okay, you may refer to me as Jack the professor, Professor Jack, okay, or Professor, blank, okay? You guys know my last name, don't forget my last name, okay? Alright, now let me start by saying that if you're not officially enrolled in this class, I'm going to have to let you go. I'm going to have to close your account, okay, and say bye-bye. You have to be officially enrolled. I can only work with officially enrolled students, and there is still time. What you have to do is send me your name, okay, date of birth. You have to go ahead and send me also your student ID number and a statement authorizing me to use this information to add you to my class officially. If I don't have that, then I'm going to have to close your account, okay? All right. Now, let me go ahead and also say that I'm very happy to be your teacher, okay? And I think we're going to have fun, okay? And I do not want you to drop the class. I think you guys could go ahead and make it work, okay? I want to go ahead and give you an orientation now. Here's what I do need you to be aware. This is a 12-week course, and there's deadlines, okay? You have due dates, deadlines per week, for assignments, chats, tests, and whatnot, okay? And you guys have to go ahead and be on top of them, okay? I can't do that for you. I'm giving you a magnificent program here, but you guys have to be responsible, okay? So for every week, or for most weeks, you will have video lectures and PowerPoint slides. Now, the video lecture, it's my explanation using audio of each of the chapters of the text, okay? And the PowerPoint slides, these are like the transcripts of the video lectures per chapter. And I actually rather call these, the slides, I call them study notes, because you may download them and use them to go ahead and do the test, okay, and get an A, okay? So the midterm and the final, the PowerPoint slides or the study notes help you with that big time. And it's the same information as the video lecture, of course, okay? An important feature of Moodle is the activity toolbox. And the activity toolbox helps you in organizing assignments, chats, choices, forums, quizzes, resources, okay? You don't have to scroll down and up per week, in class. What you can do is just go to the activity toolbox, and in that way, you have everything there organized, okay? For example, for the assignments, you have the disclaimer, the chats, essays, TV hours, and so on. Click on assignments, and then you actually get to have each one of those items there for assignments and the deadlines and when they're available, okay? Now, the activity toolbox may be located, in most cases, upper left of your screen, or sometimes on the upper right of your screen, okay? And just open the toolbox, and of course you get to see those choices there. Just click on them, select them, and you don't have to be scrolling down and up, okay? You could go to my syllabus. The syllabus helps you with the agenda, right? But in this case, this is very helpful. Now, another toolbox that serves like an agenda is the upcoming event toolbox, and it works like an agenda because in most cases it's to the right-hand side of your screen, and it gives you the type of assignment, the quiz, the chat, or the test, or whatever, right? And also the deadline for each of these items. So you're able to go ahead and keep up, knowing what's coming next and what is due. Okay, it's another very helpful thing. Okay, and it's a feature that Moodle offers. Is great. All right. So let's go ahead and do a little icebreaker. Okay, it helps to break the ice between you and I. You get to go ahead and see my face every week, but I don't get to see you. Okay. Now here's the many expressions of Jack. Okay, what mood would you say I am in this picture? Puzzled, maybe, right? Maybe I'm having an indigestion. How about this slide here? How about this picture here? What do you think? Now, you don't have to email me the response, okay? This is just trivial, okay? It's just, for you to get a kick of my faces, of my expressions. What about this expression here? What about this face? Maybe a webcam, huh? And it's inside my car, right? Okay, because you see the seatbelt there, right? How about this 1940s mug shot? Whoa, what about this expression here? I'm trying, I guess, to be funny, huh? But sometimes it doesn't work when you try to bat, right? Okay, let's go into the syllabus now. That was good, to have that gonna go ahead and break it into parts, kind of in an outline form. Okay. Page 1, you have course information and student learning objectives. Page 2, you have the grade description and the grade scale. And I urge you to go ahead and download the syllabus and study it, because it's our contract. You're able to go ahead and see what the class is about, and it's in writing, and it's more formal. Okay. All right. And then you also have page 3, you have page 4. On page 3, you have the agenda, the week by week agenda. Then on page 4, you have the school policy on integrity, the behavioral expectations of you as a student. You have additional information. Okay, go ahead and download the syllabus. Make sure you study the syllabus. Okay. And it's a great way for you to orient yourself about my class. This may help you as orientation. Okay. For week 0, you have the disclaimer and the TVA hours. This is a reminder that I want to go ahead and give you. Okay, 5 points each. But what I've been saying is that you guys just go ahead and post it in the post week thought. Those were not the instructions. The instructions are to go ahead and post these as word attachments on week 0 for the disclaimer, and a separate one for the TVA hours, for me to grant you the 5 points per each of these. Excuse me, for each of these. Okay, so for week 0 also you have chat participation. You have post week thought. Chat participation is for office use only. It's for my personal use. Don't get in there. Okay, but the post week thought is for you and for me. Okay, you guys get to. I am offering you this forum, this additional forum, to communicate, so that you and I can communicate. Okay, it's not for personal private matters. Sorry, it's just for you and I to communicate, to talk. If you have a question about the class, okay, and so on. Okay, so going back to the syllabus, you have the grade distribution. It's another reminder that I want to go ahead and cover this and say that for the disclaimer, for the TV hours, is 5 points each. For the forums, you have a total of 10. For the writing assignments, you have 3 papers at 10 points each, is 30 points. For the chats, you only have to do 1. Uno, okay, just 1 out of 4, and you get 10 points. Not 2, not 4, not 3, just 1, okay? And you could go ahead and do any of the 4, okay? So go ahead and schedule it out starting from now, okay? Okay, the midterm, 30 points, the final, 30 points, a total of 110 points. Now, how am I going to go ahead and cut the cake? Here's the way I'm going to do that, okay? For an A, it's 95 to 110. For a B, it's 80 to 94. For a C, it's 70 to 79. For a D, it's 60 to 69. And anything under 59 or anything lower than 59 or under 59 points, you then earned an F, okay? So notice that for the A and the B, you have the most points, 95 to 110. It's a total of 16 points to getting an A, a total of 15 points to getting a B, and then the other 3 grades are traditionally what we know, okay, 70 to 79, 60 to 69, and so on, okay? So you have more chance to getting an A or a B, which are, by the way, the 2 highest grades, okay? The grades that most people want. So go ahead and work hard in my class. But don't be a stranger. You may go ahead and call me at my number. You may go ahead and email me or send me a message, okay? If you feel confused, give me a call. I don't mind working one-on-one, okay? I want you to be successful, but of course, you know that there are expectations, and you have to be officially enrolled, okay? So this is Professor Jack, or Jack the Professor. Hope you see me next week, or hope you go ahead and see me throughout the video lecture.